This is our second offering to complete our Sunday here in San Juan, and right away fireworks.
Ano doon? Right of the jump ball.
King Gortiza off
Eto
the
na.
screen.
Iyon
He
naman.
knocks it down, wasting no time to make his presence felt.
As expected para dito kay King Gortiza.
Ongotan. Pull-up jumper is off. Here comes Harvey Pagsanhan.
Ayun na naman si
What a
Gortiza on the pass break.
Gortiza on the touchdown. EAC is starting off strong. Ang bilis ng laruan para dito sa EAC. And I think that's the objective here for Coach Gerson. Si Umpad ang kanyang pinakamatangkad na player. Mostly undersized yung kanyang mga bigs. So they want to play fast. And Harvey Pagsanhan scores in transition. 7 points in a minute and a second for the EAC Generals. Timeout agad para sa Arellano Chiefs. T-Mac will wait and will engineer this offense. They go to the post. Oh, Kapulong!
Meron yan.
The big boy showing us the range.
Yes, sir. All of 7 points. Lahat yan galing kay JL Kapulong. Kanina, 2 sa loob. Ngayon, pinakitaan tayo. Sa labas naman, kuya. Dito, kayang-kaya ko to.
Hindi
And mo may pressure pa siya.
Oh, ito.
Pressure niya si Umpad.
1v1. Oh, oh!
Oh!
This lang para kay JL. Gortiza doesn't have the numbers. He doesn't care though. Rebound goes to Trey De Leon. De Leon on the move. They go to Kapulong. Count
Yan
it!
naman.
And one for JL Kapulong. And a much-deserved flex afterwards.
All in para kay Kapulong. Ito sa labas. Unang 2 sa loob. Ito sa labas. And then, ito yung pass break play. Yun ang kagandahan dito sa mga bigs ngayon eh. In this era, they can finish even they have a contact.
Pumasok kasama ni Ochavo kanina si Kinal, si Loristo, at itong si Wilmar Oftana, who is also a former Arellano Chief. Meantime, Kyle sends it to the corner. Kinal!
Ayun
Kaboom!
naman.
Nakausap ko si Coach Gerson Cabildes nung media conference natin. Sabi ko, Coach, sino ang susurpresa sa amin sa lineup mo? Nagulat ako, sinabi niya, Nico Kinal, ang laki daw ng in-improve pagdating sa 3-point shooting. Ito na siya. Ochavo. Gortiza, a more open look. Oh, it's raining threes for EAC.
Grabe yun.
Meantime, we need to take a break here. High octane offense from both sides. Ochavo finding Kinal at the corner after just hitting the 3. Ito naman si King Gortiza also contributing.
Hindi
From
mo
the
pwedeng
outside.
iiwan ng ganong kaluwag yun.
Ito naman bumawi si Trey De Leon para sa Arellano Chiefs. RJ T-Mac will attack. Ongotan all the way! Alongside Axel Duroman, natahimik pa sa ating laban. RJ, cross-court pass. Oh, stolen. Good pressure from EAC. Axel now. Bread and butter. Banker on a Sunday for Axel Duroman. EAC.
Loose ball pa para dito kayo. Ito yung hanap kanina ni Kapulong para dito kay Binoya.
Axel Duroman counters with this pass to Manacho. Patima Ongodan. Out hustling Harvey Pagsanhan in that sequence.
Maguliano and
Cosejo.
si Cosejo.
Oo.
At maganda talaga ang nilalaro ng dalawang yun.
That's right.
Ayun naman.
Kakapasok lang nito. Counted and the foul.
May mga magic bullet eh. Mga wala tayong makuha dito, alika. Subok tayo ng iba.
Ang galaw dito ni Akop. He is rattles in and out. Oh, Takaman! And
Ayun
one! His own version of a 3-point play. Axel Duroman, wala sa ilalim. Ito, ganda ng hanap din ni JC Luciano.
Medyo na-experience ni Lu.
Dito sa ating laban. with 2 assists. Oh, Kapulong is hounded at the half court. Miller!
Yes!
Dre Miller with a beautiful move.
Speaking of half, eto meron talaga to.
Ayan na. Masyado malakas yung layup ni Pagsanhan. 35-26. Hernal. No. Save.
Ayun.
Ganda nung pasa.
Napaganda pa.
That's Akop saving the ball to Kapulong.
Oo, medyo malakas pa nga yung pasa. Kala ko ipapatama sa katawan. Kakampi pala niya yung...
Buti nakita niya agad.
Oo, di ba? Ay, same color tayo. Ayun naman.
Dortiza. Finding Pagsanhan underneath.
Magiging trabaho ngayon.
Ito, Dre Miller found the opening and with some hang time as well.
Iba yun.
Ako po.
Kahit sabihin mong... Alam mo yung pag tinignan mo kasi si Willie before, yung alam mo yung... Wala masyadong apps pag tinignan mo, pero yung experience sa'yo.
That's right. So they've been forcing the issue.
Yun naman yung ano, yun naman yung nagiging problema nito Arellano. Meron silang openings, nahanap yung mga libre, pero ayun.
And Akop puts it up and in, plus the foul. Ito, nagbunga na sa wakas, Big Bo, yung pag-atake ng Arellano Chiefs.
Kanina pa nila binipilit eh. Kaya lang, yun nga eh, dalawa na yung tao. Kailangan mo hinapin.
Lucero now. EAC on the other side. Harvey Pagsanhan. Bucket and beyond for Harvey Pagsanhan.
Huwag kayong matakot tumanggap ng bola at trabahuhin natin ang biyaya. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Arellano Chiefs, Martin and Bert.
Maraming salamat, Laisel Galpo. And, well, Arellano's trying here, at least in the second half. And so far, they've done a great job in staying within striking distance. Open look. That one cashes in for Nico Quinal.
Ayun lang. Ang ganda na ng depensa nila dun eh. Kaya lang nahanap pa sa corner. Kanina pa yung corner na yan. Favorite spot nitong ano. Yun na.
Counter on the other side for Matt Pinoya. Palitan ng 3 puntos.
Yun na nga.
Katulad nung second quarter
Yun
natin.
na nga eh.
So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Oh, Basti Valencia. What a fadeaway. Going downhill. That one rolls out. Arellano has a chance to inch closer. Valencia with a spin. Yes! And the Chiefs are within 1.
Turning the ball over. Ito yung atake ni Valencia. Actually, it's a 3-on-2. Kaya lang, akin na to.
Hirap na, no?
Oo, di ba? Ano na lang eh. Talagang
Different lineup deployed.
they're really looking for
Quinal.
Quinal on that elevator action.
Ito na ang Arellano. Another chance to take the lead. Yes!
Ayun na nga.
And Valencia gives them their first lead of the game.
Kanina pa natin binabanggit na never pa lumamang itong Arellano sa ball game natin.
Is off. Trey De Leon. Bounce pass to Hernal. Hernal turns around and scores.
Pag tinignan mo doon, libre pa dito si Ongotan.
Kamay. Handoff to
They're looking
Valencia.
for Basti Valencia.
5 to shoot. Straight away 3. It's good! Basti Valencia with his first triple of the game, and Arellano has now extended their lead to 3.
Biggest lead at 3.
Kanina, isa na.
Oo,
Di ba?
ito 3 na at least. Kaya pala hinahanap nila si Basti Valencia.
With
They're
the
looking for
follow-through.
Basti Valencia for the
Full court pressure now being applied by the red shirts. Vinoya forced to handle it. Hernal. Oh!
Ayun na!
Kapulong inside!
Diba?
Drive dish by Hernal. And a scramble on the other side.
Yun yung kanina pa nating iniintay. Good recognition para dito kay Hernal. Rebound by Kapulong.
And JL Kapulong with a big rebound. Arellano is ahead. They have a chance to make it a two-possession game. Kamay navigates. Hernal.
Ayun na naman ulit.
Kapulong. Got it! And the foul for G.A. Kapulong.
Diba?
Hold on.
Both teams advise and serve proper bench Sikoro.
Oh, okay.
Naku po. If it is a aray ko. Yun ang sinasabi natin kung gaano ka-importante itong si...
Foul on number 71.
Kanina pa nagigiraan yung dalawang yan.
Third personal foul.
Ganun ka-importante.
Kapulong exits the game with 18 points and 13 rebounds. That's how he will finish the first game of season 100. Oftana. Kaboom! Big time triple from Wilmar Oftana.
In the 8. They're up by 7.
That's right. Now Arellano gustong bumawi dito in the next possession. We enter the final 120. We're 2 minutes off this game. Deep waters time. The escape. A beautiful move by Yuan Kamay. And Arellano is back in front. Yuan Kamay, who made the basket earlier. Ongotan. T-Mac attacks. T-Mac up and in off the back. Plus the foul for T-Mac Ongotan.
Yun yung pure talent na lang talaga para dito kay Ongotan. Yun lang. Medyo nagka-cramps dito si Ongotan.
Ito para sa Arellano. Then pinapakita para kay Coach Gerson. Bumalik si Doromal. No foul. Oh!
Uy!
Oh! Doromal gets it. Axel. Oftana. Sends it to Harvey. Pagsanan for three. Oh, too strong. Tap to Gortiza. Oftana for three. Yes! Wilmar Oftana makes it a 1-point game.
Hindi natin alam kung ano nakita ng referee natin. But,
Ito si
of course,
Pagsanhan. Final shot time for EAC. Kinal! Oh! EAC takes the lead.
Final Arellano Chiefs.
wow!
Woo! My goodness. Nico Kinal. It was Harvey Pagsanhan who found him in that corner. And Kinal, sabi nga ni Coach Gerson, panoorin mo tong batang to. Kamay is the trigger man. And they find Dinoya. Dinoya will make his move. Dinoya for the tie. Yes! 77 all! With 4.8 seconds remaining. Mav Dinoya with a gutsy drive.
Mali tayong dalawa doon. Akala natin pupunta sila kay... Pero tama naman yung sinasabi ni Coach Chico. Yung favorite mong fake handoff. Eh, yun yung nangyari. Going for the handoff on top. He drives, goes in.
Our third deadlock of the game. At si Basti Valencia. Ongotan, speaking of, drive, dish inside. Dinoya secures the deuce. Arellano strikes first. There's Axel Doromal. Hard screen by Loristo. Doromal again has a lot of time to operate. Axel against the big guy. Sends it to the corner. Gortiza. Got it! A triple. Down the shoot for King.
Okay, medyo ngayon lang ulit nagparamdam itong si King Gortiza. Kanina pa tahimik.
Yeah. Napako siya sa 12 puntos. Ngayon 15 na. Lead is back with the AC. Dinoya. Oh, bothered. He gets it back. Nakahanap si Borromeo.
Dalawa.
At bounces out. Another chance. points. Nope.
Sayang, dalawa sila doon. Magagawan.
EAC will have it. And Romal now.
Hindi pa nagbigayan.
Oh!
Ayun.
Natapikan si Axel.
Hindi nakita.
Oh! Ball is loose. It's with Gortiza. 3-on-3. King step through. Yes! 5 straight points for King Gortiza.
Timeout. Arellano Teens.
Quick timeout called by Coach Chico Manaba. Tatlo na ang abante ng mga general. Doromal handles it across and will now set the table for EAC. Pagsanhan is being pressured. Harvey, bounce pass, Loristo, turn around, yes! Jero Loristo! And if you're Arellano, confidence boosting na rin kasi expected contender din EAC.
Yes,
But
sir.
EAC
Ladies and gentlemen,
survives Arellano. They win it in OT 87 to 80. Coach Jerson Cabildes and the rest of his guys are on the win column after their first game. Napakagandang laban po ang napanood natin mula sa EAC at Arellano. Unfortunately, isa lang
Oo.
ang pupwedeng manalo.